So this is going to be hard to get this done without a stand, I think. It's going to be really hard actually, but I can't keep it in frame. Alright, let's see if that works. Alright, now we've bottomed it out on the on this ledge underneath here. There's a ledge under here, so it's bottomed out there, so now I can drill a hole through it. And I'll set up the camera somehow so I can actually show you that open out without poking a hole through my tank. Can't see it. It's in frame. I think it's in frame. I hope so. Yeah, it's in frame. Good. So I'm going to poke through here. It's hard up against it. Man, that was fast. Oh shit. That wasn't as strong as I thought it was. Wow. No, that went really fast, through really fast. Holy crap. But it's not even. It's not centered. Oh shit. I went off center, damn it. Okay, that's not tight enough, obviously. Oh, as long as this one's centered, I think it's fine. Oh. I think there's a screw hitting somewhere. It's not supposed to be hitting somewhere. That one goes through there. So I'm going for it. I get to get through my boat. Because we're going to be sinking. Woo! So I think I got that done. Ow. Well, I did cut fiberglass. But something got cut just then. So I don't know what it was. Well, it went through, so yeah. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna have to cut out a whole access panel here. I think I'm gonna have to do that. So I'm gonna have to cut an access panel here to make sure that I didn't go through the bottom. I don't think I did, but I see the water come gushing through, so we're not sinking. So that's one good thing, I guess. So vacuum. I'll put my vacuum. Vacuum all this up. Really, so I don't know why I went through that. It's just water coming out of the tank on the drill. So I went through this beam and I was able to get to the floor, so it goes all the way through now. So now, so we're through the beam, through here, through the beam. Pretty much that hole's just to get this hole in, so that's pretty good. So now I've got to get the so now I've got to get the spigot in there and the thing in. So now I've got to get some stuff to wipe that out with, and then put the spigot in. So I can find that. So this is a spigot that I'm going to put on. Oh, not spigot. I guess the elbow, threaded elbow. I'm going to put threaded barbed elbow. I'm going to put on in there. And now I've got to find my hose, where my hose is. So let me get that done. So I'm sure every cruiser at some point had their boat a mess. You look at Barry off White Shadow, his boat's always a mess. Kika from SV Carl, her boat's always a mess and working on it. Brian from SV Delos, their boat's sometimes a mess when they've got major stuff going on. And what else is there? Leo from Tally Ho, well, he's building his boat. I think Leo's doing a great job on Tally Ho. And there's guys on Acorn and Arabella, Steve and Alex. They're doing a great job on Acorn to Arabella. So if you haven't seen their channels, you want to check them out. So there's a couple other good ones that have been doing some good work and stuff. So but yeah, I think that's good for that. I've got the hole drilled, and we'll get the try and find the hose for it. I don't know what to do with it. That's not it. There either. So I'm pretty sure that this is going to fit 3/4. I hope it turns properly. Oh, bugger. So, alright, there we go. Okay, cool. Oh no, it's too big. It's too long. Oh, bugger it. Cinch it down a bit, but it's still going to be too long. Oh no. The hose is going to kick back on itself. Oh no, it's going to be too long. Damn it. I wonder if I can get one more turn on that without breaking it. So I'm going to have to try that. See, that's in frame. Yep, should be. So I'm back on the wrench. If I can get that in closer. Oh shoot. That's 1/2 turn. Oh bugger. I hope I don't thread it and break it off. Oh god damn it. Really, this is not fun. bugger. If this one will fit. No, not there enough. Yeah, so I got it done. Yay. It's not very straight, but I'm gonna get it straight. Back it off a bit. As straight as I'm gonna get it. Right, so oh jeez. So anyway, I'm gonna get that done. So now I've got to get the hose back in there to get that done. So when I got the boat, the drain just pretty much went from here straight into the bilge, and so did all the black water and grey water. The only thing that was covering up the smell was the smell of leaking diesel. But once I absorbed all that diesel off the top, oh my gosh, you could really smell the black water in there. But hey, I won this boat in a poker game, so it's pretty much a free boat. So anyway, so that's that for this. Just going to clean up a little bit, and then I'm going to try and locate the hose wherever I've put that. So I don't know where I've done. I don't know what I've done with the hose. It's around somewhere. I thought I put it in here. I keep all my spare PEX hose, like lengths of spare PEX hose in here, and I'm going to make a little toolbox, put little PEX fittings and my PEX tools in here so I can just stay out of the way. I don't know what's in here, probably just water. My anchor locker is leaking. Oh my gosh, it's dry. Amazing. So yeah, so that's that. I'll try and keep the videos to 15 minutes because I don't have any editing capabilities at the moment, so I can't edit my videos down. I'll just have to do them freestyle, I guess. So if I'm boring, just fast forward a bit to a more interesting part, and subscribe to my channel if you wish. And Merry Christmas to everybody. Catch you later in the second video.